everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video to share with you, and I've got Lovelula, and this is how it arrives through the post. Just taking my address label off there. So as always, if you're new to Lovelula, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just interested in seeing what I received in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Lovelula is an award-winning organic and natural beauty subscription box. So the cost of the box is £14.95 per month, and that includes shipping within the UK. They also offer one-off boxes for £19.95, plus they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. They do ship internationally, and they offer subscriptions for 3 months and 12 months, and shipping is calculated at checkout. If you were to subscribe in June, your first box will be July. So whatever month you subscribe to, you will receive the following month's box, and there onwards. Inside the box you'll receive around 4 items a month, and they're all full size, and they contain no parabens, no SLS, and are all cruelty free. They also have a huge online store, so you're able to buy lots of lovely natural organic beauty products, and there's always codes on their website for money off products as well. They work with over 200 brands, and you're able to see past boxes on their website. Now, I've been subscribed to Lovelula, I think this is my 5th month, I think so, and it was recommended to me for a long time, and I am so glad I subscribed. It's one of my favourite boxes. So I think that's it as far as information goes. All links and everything related to this box and their website I'll pop down below in the description. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that will bring up my description, and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this up and showing you what I got inside. I've got a little card here, and it tells you everything about the products inside the box, so I'll be referring to this as I go along. And the value for this June box is £63. I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. So the first item in the box is a natural deodorant, and this is by Elsa's Organic Skin Foods, and this is a detox natural deodorant, grapefruit, ginger and lemon, infused with activated charcoal. Elsa's 4-in-1 deodorant will deodorize, soothe, detoxify and nourish. I'm really excited to give this a go, and I had one. I can't remember what the name is now, but it just looks like melted white chocolate, but it's 100% natural, and I might have received it in this box a couple of months ago. I'm not too sure. The consistency is just like, I don't know, like frosting on a cupcake. Oh, I love it. I think it's amazing. I think it's really cool. I've also had another one as well, which is like a crystal block. I didn't find that very good, in all honesty, and it was a bit of a pain because I had to use it when my skin was wet, and I kept forgetting because our bathroom's downstairs. Plus I have tried some that don't work at all, so I'm really curious to see how this goes. So 100% natural, is super effective for adults, teens and tweens. It kills odours and provides skin soothing nutrients without blocking the pores. Hold deodorant stick on the armpit for a couple of seconds to melt. Do not apply to broken skin. Use sparingly. Super concentrated formula. A little goes a long way. And I'm not going to get my armpit out on a video, so I'm just going to try a little bit on my hand. Just want to feel it. I want to see what it's like. I love the fact that it's in one of these push-up balms. It's just easier, isn't it, than the little pot, the one that I've got with a little pot where you put your finger in it. It's just a lot easier, isn't it? Just like woohoo, underneath your armpits. You're not going to be able to see much, if anything at all. It smells nice. It does smell really nice. I can see how applying too much and it'll leave you like with a gunky mess under your arm. A little does go a long way. But yeah, I really hope that works. It just says a super concentrated formula that boasts a rare combination of active charcoal and bentonite clay. The powerful ingredients deliver an all-day protection, unlike that of any natural or conventional deodorant. Next we've got a facial oil by Ooh, or Oh. It's Ooh, isn't it? It is Ooh. I'll show you. And it is an organic plum conditioning face oil. There's 30 mils here. It says apply 2 to 3 drops and massage gently into skin after cleansing. Can be used underneath your moisturiser and your makeup. Suitable for day and night care, as well as treatment oil for extra care. I have tried oils from this brand before, and they're really nice. They're really nice. I have got quite a few oils here now. I don't want to pass them on to friends and family because I really like them. Oh my word, what is the flavour? Plum. That smells like a cake. What is it? It doesn't smell like plum. Is it Bakewell tart? or Battenberg. No, Bakewell tart. That is absolutely gorgeous. Again, you can't see nothing on my hands. That feels really nice, but the smell, oh my word, I could lick it. It's not strong, it's only very subtle, but yeah, instantly cake. This cold pressed organic oil is a good emollient to moisturise and condition dry skin. It is a fast absorbing oil rich in omega-9, leaving the skin with a silky feel. Also a great multitasker for any areas of concern. That sounds great. And a great smell as well. It's got a face oil or a body oil. Next we've got a hand cream, and this is by Humble Natural Sustainable Beauty. Sweet pea and verbena, 97% naturally derived ingredients, and it says spoil yourself, not the environment. So it looks like there. How much have we got? We've got 75 mils. And it says, due to the natural content of this product, colour and textures may vary. Now I'm going to have to wipe my hands because I've got I've got underarm deodorant on one hand and a face oil on the other. Hold on. Oh, I put too much on. I was hoping just to put a tiny bit, but yeah, it's all mixed in with my rings. Oh, this always happens to me. Oh, that is nice. A gorgeous, gorgeous smell. Is it sweet? Did it say sweet pea? Yeah. What's verbena? Verbena. Is that another plant? I'm not really into plants. I like looking at them, but I don't have a clue about what to do with them or their names and things. I leave it to my husband. But that is gorgeous. Wow, I'm super, super impressed with that. It's quite fragrant, so it might clash if you like wearing perfumes, and it feels nice too. It'd be lovely if they did it in a like body cream. I would love that. I'll have to have a look on the Lovelula website to see. So can I tell you anything else about it? A delicate fragrance with top notes of lemon and verbena on the heart of jasmine with a woody base. TV presenter Kate Humble's products. Oh right, I didn't even know that. Oh, it has got her name there. Kate Humble's products are carefully created so that you can spoil yourself without spoiling the environment. I really, really like that. Lastly, we've got a bubble bath and shower gel, and this is by Kathleen, Great Britain, and it's with pure lemon, rosewood and geranium essential oils. Instantly feel uplifted and awakened as your senses are renewed. And 150 mils here. The fact it's got citrus in it. Oh my word. Can't wait to open it up and have a sniff. Oh, citrus cheer. I am obsessed. Obsessed. As you probably know if you've watched my video for a long while, I just love it. Anything citrusy. Really, really lovely packaging. I haven't seen this brand before. It smells like a mojito. That's what comes to my mind every time I sniff something. Food and drink. Oh, that is lovely. It does smell really, really nice. So it says kickstart the day with a zesty bubble bath and shower gel with a zest of lemon spiked with a warm rosewood scent. It cleanses, hydrates and balances the skin without drying it out. Suitable for all skin types. So that's the last of the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up. So these are all the items inside Lovelula's June subscription box. We got a natural deodorant by Elsa's Organic Skin Foods. We got a gorgeous hand cream by Humble. We've got a Bakewell tart smelling plum facial oil by the brand Ooh, and we've got a citrus bath and shower gel by Kathleen, Great Britain. Oh, my deodorant is falling through my hands. My hands are slippery with the hand lotion. I do think it's a really, really great box. I'm excited for this. I am really excited. I've stopped buying non-natural deodorants a long time ago, and I've been without for a long time. I've been, which is really odd for, for the last, 30 odd years or so, always wearing deodorant and stuff. But no, I've gone without it. I do feel more confident with a deodorant, so I can't wait to give that a go. Hand cream is gorgeous. Really, really lovely. Face oil, I got a lot of them, so I'm not sure how often I would use it, but as I said, I do dip in and out of different ones regularly, and it's a really nice one as well. And yeah, this shower and bath gel, yeah, it's just citrus, it's just me all over. I can't wait to use it, so I'm really happy. So definitely a subscription I'm going to carry on subscribing to, but as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to Lovelula? What do you think of the subscription? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a if this is a subscription for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.